Shipler. Maybe shipler ko.
Nice me. Orangutan. Nice snack. O katakan ng orangutan.
Orangutan.
Nice me? No. Sa orangutan. Ay, sana siya kakuha. Sa orangutan. Wala ka sa orangutan. Favorite ba lang? Sila parang balik din ka ba? Sa kabang ba? Bilang kung lang ba? Kaya mo na gamig?
And the more manibaho ang lalaki, the more matra ka mga babae.
Thanks sa tips.
Thanks sa tips. With a twisted horn, long horn, that is greater horn. They have the longest horn among all dance dogs. Weight can reach up to 72 inches, and it will naturally twist once every 2 years. Once again, waterback and greater horn. Despite of their huge size, they are great jumpers. Where they can jump up to 8 feet and they can run 25 miles per hour. Female eland can produce milk 7 liters per day. That is retrieved fat than a cow's milk. Once again, eland. Karang duha ka baby zebra, 3 years old and 4 years old. Zebra, 3 months and 4 months. And yung nasa gilid, yung color gray, those are wildebeest. If you are familiar with the movie Lion King, they were the one who accidentally killed King Mufasa during stampede. And they are also known as the clown of the savannah because of its unusual dance moves to attract female during mating season. And kanang murag kanting nga mahalon, with white markings, those are blessback. A reddish brown in color with white markings on its face. That white markings that serves as their built-in sunscreen. They can survive under the heat of the sun because of that built-in sunscreen. Once again, zebra, blessback, and wildebeest. And they can run 80 kilometers per hour. They are cute looking, but that's their adult size already. Dili na na siya mudangko. Both male and female have horn, but the male one has a thicker horn. Then yung color brown, those are impala. A medium size of antelope that is brown in color with slim legs. Despite of their 60 legs, they are considered as the fleet runners and fantastic jumpers of the savannah. And they are the 4th fastest land animal. Once again, impala and hamster.